It's Friday evening. You finally finished your work and you tell yourself that this weekend I'll finally get my life together. I'll start going to the gym. I'll spend some time on my hobby. I'll work on my side hustle and maybe even meet some friends. And then somehow you woke up on Monday morning and you suddenly wonder, damn, where did my weekend go? You didn't even do the things that actually mattered to you. Instead, your weekend just disappeared, doing chores, scrolling up on phone, and trying to recover from the past week. If this sounds familiar, then this video is for you. Most people think that they lose their weekends because they waste too much time. They blame their phone, Netflix, social media, and yes, those things definitely take away hours. But that's not the real reason. Just think about it. By the time Friday arrives, you've already spent 5 days waking up early, commuting, working, problem solving, and following up a system that was not decided by you, a schedule that was decided by someone else for you. So when the weekend finally comes, your mind doesn't want another schedule. It wants a break. And that is exactly why when you have 2 whole days to yourself, it just doesn't feel enough. The real problem is not that your weekends are too short. It's that your weekend actually have two jobs. The first job is to help you recover from the work week because you've spent 5 days waking up early, commuting, working, problem solving, and following up a strict schedule. So when Saturday arrives, your mind naturally wants to slow down. You sleep in, you watch a few episodes, you spend some time on your phone scrolling, you finally give yourself permission to do nothing and do not follow a routine. And actually, there is nothing wrong with that. But the problem is, your weekend has a second job as well. And it's also only the time you have to build your own life, to work on your hobbies, to exercise, to make friends and learn something new, or even do simple things that make you feel like yourself again. But by the time you have done the first thing, that is recover from the work week, there's barely any weekend left for you to work on the second part. And that's exactly why Monday arrives so quickly. So, how do you finally stop your weekends from disappearing? The first step is to stop treating your entire weekend as recovery time. Yes, I agree. Rest is indeed important. And after a long work week, your mind and your body does need it. But if you want to spend all of your Saturday and Sunday just recovering, Monday will arrive without you actually doing anything that mattered to you. And that's exactly why the second step is to plan one meaningful activity before the weekend arrives. Notice, I didn't say you fill your entire weekend with that activity. What I mean is just do one thing. Maybe it's going to the gym on a Saturday morning, or meeting up a friend for a coffee, or even working on a side project just for an hour. When you protect just one meaningful activity, your weekend starts to feel like it belongs to you, instead of feeling like 2 days that just disappeared. And once you start doing this, you'll build the momentum. And momentum is what helps you to channelize and work upon yourself. The goal isn't to make your weekends busier, it's to make sure that your weekend contains something that belongs to you. Because if every weekend is about recovering for Monday, it becomes very hard to build a life outside of work. And if you want a simple system that helps you plan your routines, weekends, and hobbies, you might want to check out the link in the description. It's completely free to access. And in case you're wondering why you are too tired to enjoy your evenings, might want to check out this video, and I'll see you real soon.